Hi guys, wanted to talk to you about the rejuvenation of the face, primarily around the eyes. Again, I'm a little different or a lot different, and I disagree pretty much with everything that is being performed today in plastic surgery with respect to rejuvenation around the eye area. We always hear doctors saying, oh, you have too much skin in the upper eyelids, or where did the skin come from? It's not like we stretch it all the time. It's not like we grow extra skin. The doctors also say we need to remove the skin in the upper eyelids, we need to lift your eyebrows, and that could not be further from the truth. If you were to take your pictures when you were young, or just look at pictures of young, beautiful women today, or men, likewise, you will see that their eyebrows are always considerably lower when they're younger. As we age, our eyebrows only come up, and I will explain to you as to why that happens. And what happens, we also appear, or at least it appears that we have more skin in the upper eyelid. And the process through which it happens is because we have some bone resorption or thinning of the bone around the orbit and loss of fat in the eyebrow. As that happens, the deflation process of this upper portion of the eyelid and the eyebrow is perceived as extra skin, and our forehead muscles start to work trying to lift that skin, and that's why we get more wrinkles and the eyebrows actually become higher located as we get older. My proposition is, instead of removing extra skin, is to simply take your own natural fat, take a small amount of it, simply add it to the upper eyelid, add it to the eyebrow, and you will look better than you ever have imagined before. You will not have any scars, the recuperation is easier, and you can go to work the next day. It is no different, in my opinion, as approaching what people call bags in the lower eyelids. Those I don't believe should be excised or removed in the majority of patients. Yes, there are patients who are born with those, and yes, they might create a candidate for this type of a procedure. But in my opinion, the reason these bags are prominent is because there's simply no support in the lower cheek area. By building the support, again, by using fat transfer, which will give you a permanent result, one can completely hide the bags in the lower eyelid. This procedure completely eliminates the need for removal of eyelid skin, tightening procedures, and creating a funny looking face in most people. So next time you're considering rejuvenation around the eyes, think about fat transfer.